Selena, Class 10, Chapter 20, Cylinder, Cone and Sphere, Surface Area and Volume. Exercise 20F, sum number 1. From a solid right circular cylinder with height 10 cm and radius of base 6 cm, a right circular cone of same height and same base are removed. Find the volume of the remaining solid. Height of the cylinder 10 cm, radius of the base 6 cm, volume of the cylinder pi r square h. Since height of the cylinder and cone are same, so height of cone 10 cm, radius also same, so radius of cone 6 cm, volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume of the remaining part is volume of the cylinder minus volume of the cone. Pi r square h minus 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Since radius and height are same, therefore this will be 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value 2 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 10 equal to 5280 upon 7, which is equal to 754 2 upon 7 centimeter cube is the volume of the remaining part. Sum number 2. From a solid cylinder whose height is 16 centimeter and radius is 12 centimeter, a conical cavity of height 8 centimeter and radius 6 centimeter is hollowed out. Find the volume and total surface area of the remaining solid. Radius of the solid cylinder 12 centimeter, height 16 centimeter, therefore volume equal to pi r square h equal to 22 by 7 into 12 into 12 into 6 equal to 50,688 upon 7 centimeter cube. Radius of cone 6 centimeter, height 8 centimeter, therefore its volume 1 upon 3 pi r square h equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 8 equal to 2112 upon 7 centimeter cube. Volume of the remaining solid is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. 50,688 upon 7 minus 2,112 upon 7, which is equal to 48,567 upon 7 equal to 6,939.43 centimeter cube. Volume of remaining solid. Slant height of cone L equal to root of h square plus r square equal to root of 6 square plus 8 square equal to root of 36 plus 64 root 100 equal to 10 centimeter. Slant height of cone is 10 centimeter. Therefore, total surface area of remaining solid is curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, base area of cylinder plus area of circular ring on the side of cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder, curved surface area of cone, base of the cylinder and the area of the ring, which is equal to 2 pi r square h plus pi r L, curved surface area of cone, base area of cylinder pi r square h plus area of ring pi into capital R square minus small r square. Substitute all the value equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 12 into 16 plus 22 by 7 into 6 into 10 plus 22 by 7 into 12 into 12 plus 22 by 7 into 12 square minus 6 square, which is equals to 8448 upon 7 plus 1320 upon 7 plus 3168 upon 7 plus 2376 upon 7 equal to 15,312 upon 7 equal to 2187.43 centimeter square. Sum number 3. A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 4 centimeter and conical above it. If its diameter is 105 meter and its slant height is 80 meter, calculate the total area of canvas required. Also find the total cost of canvas used as rupees 15 per meter if the width is 1.5 meter. Radius of the cylindrical part of the tent R is equals to 105 upon 2 meters. Slant height is 80 meters. Therefore, curved surface area of the tent is curved surface area of this cylindrical part plus curved surface area of the conical part, which is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RL. Substitute the value. 2 into 22 by 7 into 105 upon 2 into 4 plus 22 by 7 into 105 by 2 into 80 equal to 1320 plus 13200, which is equals to 14,550 meters square. Width of the canvas used is 1.5 meters. Therefore, length of the canvas is equals to total canvas 14,520 upon its width 1.5 is equals to 9,680 meters. Total cost of canvas at the rate of rupees 15 per meter is 9,680 into 15 equal to rupees 1,45,200. Sum number 4. A circus tent is cylindrical to a height of 8 meter surmounted by a conical part. If total height of the tent is 13 meters and diameter of its base is 24 meter, calculate first part total surface area of the tent, second part the area of canvas required to make this tent, allowing 10% of the canvas used for folding and stitching. Height of the cylindrical part 8 meter. Height of the conical part is 13 minus 8, 5 meter. Radius of the base 24 meter. So diameter is 24 meter. Therefore, radius will be 12 meter. Slant height of the cone L is equals to root of R square plus H square equal to root of 12 square plus 5 square equal to root of 169. Slant height is equals to 13 meters of the cone. First part, total surface area of the tent equal to 2 pi RH plus pi RL. Pi R common, 2H plus L. Substitute the value. 22 by 7 into 12, 2 into 8 plus 13. So 2 into 8 is 16. Here 264 upon 7 into 16 plus 3. 16 plus 13 is 29. So 264 upon 7 into 29, which is equal to 7656 upon 7 equal to 1093.71 meters square. Area of canvas used in stitching equal to total area of canvas, which is equals to 7656 upon 7 plus 10% of it. So total area of canvas upon 10. Therefore, total area of canvas minus total area of canvas upon 10 is 7656 upon 7. This is 1 minus 1 upon 10. So total area of canvas 1 minus 1 upon 10 equal to 7656 upon 7. Therefore, 1 minus 1 upon 10 is 9 upon 10. Total area of canvas into 9 upon 10 is 7656 upon 7. Therefore, total area of canvas is 7656 upon 7 into 10 upon 9. Total area 76560 upon 63, which is equals to 1215.23 meters square. Sum number 5. A cylindrical boiler 2 meter height is 3.5 meter in diameter. It has hemispherical lid. Find the volume of its interior, including the part covered by the lid. Diameter of the cylindrical boiler 3.5 meter, which is therefore radius will be 3.5 upon 2, which is equals to 35 upon 20 equal to 7 upon 4 meter. Height is 2 meters. Radius of hemispherical will be also 7 upon 4 meters. Total volume is total volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the hemisphere. So volume is pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r square is common, so pi r square into h plus 2 upon 3 into r. Substitute the value. 22 by 7 into 7 upon 4 into 7 upon 4 into 2 plus 2 upon 3 into 7 upon 4, which is equal to 77 upon 8 into 2 plus 7 upon 6, equal to 77 upon 8 into 19 upon 6, which is equal to 1463 upon 48. Therefore, total volume of the boiler is equal to 30.48 meter cube.